So today I'd like to talk to you about divisibility by 7. This is one of my absolute favorite techniques. It's super easy once you know how to do it. It's a little bit more advanced than dividing by 2 and by 3. So this is what you need to think about. You need to look at the last digit, double it, and subtract it from the remaining truncated number. What that means is you take the last digit and you double it, so 7 times 2 is 14, and you subtract it from the remaining number. Now, if you end up with a 0 or a multiple of 7, then your number is divisible by 7. You can use this for math Olympiads. You can use this for more advanced divisions. It's a little bit trickier than dividing by 2, by 3, by 5, and things like that. So this is one of those higher techniques, okay, higher level techniques. But it's important that if you were studying for math Olympiads or math counts, you would know how to do this. So let's get into it. So for example here, 7 times 2 is 14. So you do 14 minus 14, you end up with 0, so therefore this number is divisible by 7. So what you need to do is double the last digit and subtract it from whatever's left over. So you subtract it from this number here. So for this one, we're going to do the same process, but we're going to keep doing it over and over and over again until we get to an answer. What's 8 times 2? 8 times 2 is 16. So I do 28576 minus 16, and I end up with 28560. Now I need to subtract 0 times 2. So 0 times 2 is 0. So I subtract that from 2856 minus 0 is just the same number. Now for my 2856, I double the last digit, which is 12. So I do 285 minus 12, and I end up with 273. And for 273, I double my last digit, which is 6, so I do 27 minus 6, and I end up with 21. Now 21 is in the 7's times table, so this one is definitely divisible by 7. Okay, so 7 divides this number. We can do the same with 411,559,792. Double the last digit, I get a 4, so it's 411,559,75. Double the last digit, I get 10, so I'll have to do 41155, and then 97 minus 10 is 87. Double the last digit, I get 14, so maybe I'll write this one out, 4115. Now 58 minus 14 is 44. Double the last digit, I get 8, so I'll have to do 54 minus 8, 411. What's 54 take away 8? 46. Double the last digit, I get 12. So what's 4114 minus 12? You'll get 4102. Double the last digit, I get 2. 2 times 2 is 4, so 410 minus 4 is 406. Double the last digit, I get 12. 40 minus 12, which is 28, which is divisible by 7. So you can say that this number here is divisible by 7. So again, this is one of those higher level techniques. It's not something that you learn if you're just learning divisibility rules or factor trees. This is something you learn for math counts, math Olympiads, and more advanced divisibility rules. It's part of number theory. It's important that you should know it. But again, this is something that you don't need for your standard level mathematics, and you could go through your whole 12 or 13 years of schooling without ever having to do this from primary to secondary. But if you are studying for Math Olympiads, this was divisibility by 7. If you enjoy our content, make sure that you follow us on Instagram at MathemagicMD, and you can look us up on YouTube on this channel as well. Subscribe, make sure that you keep following us. And we're also on Facebook. You can find us facebook.com/HL Mathemagic. And remember, math comes easy when you know what you're doing, okay? Follow us, Mathemagic.